Lá Eolaíochta.
Tá lá eolaíochta ar siúl sa scoil. Lá bra grianmhar atá ann. Tá na múntóirí an ghnáthach. Tá gach rang ag déanamh torganamh. Tá ranga trí ar bís. Tá dúiseanna sa chlós. Tá lá gan obair bhaile ag na daltaí.
Ceistena. Ceiste hain. Cá bhfuil an lá eolaíochta ar siúl. Ceiste dó. Cén sais lé é. Ceiste trí. An bhfuil na múntóirí gnóthach. Ceiste ceathair. Cad atá á dhéanamh ag gach rang. Ceiste cúig. An bhfuil ranga trí ar bís.
Okay, this is called Lá Eolaíochta, which is a science day. Lá is a day and Eolaíochta is science. So tá Lá Eolaíochta ar siúl. There's a science day ar siúl, which is going on, sa scoil, in school. Lá bra grianmhar atá ann. It's a nice, bra's nice, grianmhar is sunny, and lá is day. So it's a nice sunny day atá ann. Tá na múntóirí an gnóthach. So the teachers are an gnóthach. Very. Gnóthach, busy. So very busy. Tá gach rang ag déanamh turgnamh. So every class is doing. Ag déanamh means doing. Turgnamh are experiments. So they're doing experiments. Tá ranga trí ar bís. So third class is ar bís. They're excited. Tá dúiseanna sa chlós. There are prizes in the yard. Tá lá gan obair bhaile ag na daltaí. So there's a law gan obair bhaile. Gan means without. So a day without obair bhaile, homework. So the students, the daltaí, have a day without homework. Okay. Now let's have a look at the questions. Okay, so we'll start off with our title up the top and then Lá Eolaíochta is hooked, page 78. Cá bhfuil an lá eolaíochta ar siúl. Where is the science day going on? Tá an lá eolaíochta ar siúl sa scoil. Number 2, Iver dó, cén sais lé é? What sort of day? Well, it's a lá bra grianmhar. It's a day that is nice and sunny. Iver 3, an bhfuil na múntóirí gnóthach. Are they busy? Well, of course, the múntóirí, tá na múntóirí, tá siad an gnóthach. Now, we have to put a H in there because of the AN in front of it. For very busy, we have to put a H into it. So, an gnóthach. It's spelled a little bit differently. Number 4, cad atá á dhéanamh ag gach rang. What is being done by gach rang by every class? What is every class doing? So, tá gach rang, every class is ag déanamh turgnamh. They're doing their experiments. And number iver cúig, an bhfuil rang a sé ar bís. Now, is 6th class excited? Well, the answer is you could either say tá rang a sé ar bís, 6th class is excited, or you could say níl rang a sé ar bís, or 6th class isn't excited, because the answer is tá rang a trí ar bís. So the whole answer, níl rang a sé ar bís, tá rang a trí ar bís. 3rd class are excited, not 6th class. Well done.